welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Mikali, aka Yele Yelo. Hey, so guys, today I'm feeling good, anyway guys, so today is Vlogmas day 1. I'm kind of excited. I hope the energy that I have for day 1 will continue all through. So in today's video guys, we're going to do makeup, my first ever makeup video. So guys, let's just see. There's a friend of mine who is coming over. Is it a friend? It's actually, we've never met. I just wrote on my status, like, guys, recommend to me a nice makeup artist, and boom, she was the first one that I was sent to, and she was the first one that I picked. So let's see the transformation that I will get. And today this camera, let's just see the transformation that I will have. So guys, see you in a few. So guys, Aziza is here, and we're just trying to set up. We try the makeup. Aziza, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Yeah, she's only be doing my makeup today. Guys, I don't know, I'm feeling excited or kind of freaked out, but wacha tuone venye transformation itakaa leo. Yeah, so we're just setting up. We start in a few. Guys, you're going to notice that we'll be talking too much, but you can't hear the sound or our voices. The reason is we were having very many stories going on around here, and so just bear with us. And I thought it would be inappropriate just putting on the stories out here, because this is a makeup video. I don't want to make it so boring for you listening to our stories, But anyway guys, so at this point, as I say, just wiping my face, then just trimming my eyebrows. Me and eyebrows, I've not seen the person who does my eyebrows for quite some time. I've not gone to get them made. Is it reduced the size? Yeah, and so she's just doing that. Then she's starting off the process of now like working on the eyebrows. And just trust me guys, like already from the first touch, when my eyebrows are being, let's say just drawing, because I'm not a professional in these things, and then trying to feel it was just awesome. The other thing is when she's just heading straight to make the eye area, like she tells me upendi eyelashes, but trust me, because I told her I don't like eyelashes. She was like, please, you just have to have them on. So she was like, I can't just work on your eyes, they pop so well, then we just leave them without eyelashes. So guys, just enjoy. Let's see what she's going to do. Let's see the transformation, if it's going to be a yes or a no. Already I'm liking the eyebrows, how they're looking like. And for the colors for the eye area, I just told her, you know what, just do your thing, because mimi nikichagua, oh no, it's going to be a no. Yeah, so I just let her just to do her thing. Sometimes the person doing new makeup can tell what will suit you best during that mood situation. Yes guys. And just look at my eyes. This is justice. So she's just putting the eyeliner, to give it the complete look before we put on the lashes. Yeah, the lashes are going to be glued on top of my eyelashes. I've never had lashes ever in my life. Like, I have never, like, this is the first time. Anyway, actually, I don't know. It's okay. I don't think it's a bad thing to try, and I think eventually, after I get my first experience, maybe I might end up being this lashes girl. You never know. There is always a start for something. Wow guys, now we are done with the eyes and you can see they are really popping. So the next step is just to put on the primer on my face, and the primer she used here is matte primer, something of the sort. Then the foundation, yeah guys, and I'm actually liking everything. You know, it makes me wonder, Kwani, how do I do my makeup? Because when I do my own makeup, it doesn't end up this beautiful. Like, wow, damn it, I'm really liking the way everything is blending into something beautiful. I even feel like this camera is not giving it like the justice that it deserves. And by the way guys, remember this is Vlogmas 1. Just support your girl. Don't forget to share this video and also like and comment guys. You know, it's going to help my channel grow, so as I can create for you guys more and more of this content. So guys, just watch and enjoy the transformation. I hope you really enjoyed this video. And by the way, if you want contacts for Aziza, because she normally, what can I say, she's a professional makeup artist, like a mobile professional makeup artist. She can actually come wherever you are. She normally do makeup for bridals, baby shower, events, just personal makeup, you know. And if you just want her work and you've liked it and you'll really love to get her services, just comment down below and I'm going to link her details down the description box. So guys, just enjoy and I hope to see you guys in the next one. So guys, this is the eyeliner. Yeah, and wait guys, I'm just liking this look, you know, that Jeka wig. What do you think? I'm actually giving it a 10 over 10 as per now. Maybe it might go to an 11 over 10 or it goes to 9 over 10. Yeah guys, by the way, if you really liked this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share and comment. Yeah, and guys, don't worry of the background noise, you know, we are shooting this during the day, so we have kids playing. If you're keen, you can hear some noise. Yeah, I'm liking this look. I feel like a princess.
Larry Beach.
Not we're almost done, we are done. What is that?
Spray.
The setting spray. Then now my wig, I put it on. Hey, and his lens in a castle. I close my eyes. What do you think? What do you think? We consider the lashes. Let me wink for you guys. Oh my god. By the way, Rich Aziza's work, I don't know, I keep in my mind like Nakuta Aziad instead of Aziza. But they rate her work. Me guys, I could give her 11 out of 10. This is so spectacular. I really look good. I like my new look. Yes, guys, sorry for that. Yeah, but what do you guys think? Oh my god. I've been even money. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed my Vlogmas day 1. I've also enjoyed shooting this video. It was a nice one. It was nice energy for day 1. I'm hoping, I noticed I normally upload like 1 video a week. So this is a challenge I want to give myself. We see if we can do 3 videos or 4 videos in a week during this Vlogmas time. So approximately I'm targeting to have more than 10 videos this Vlogmas season. That will be an improvement, because if you're very keen, you'll notice my videos are normally 4. So I don't know what to say, but I will try my best. We see this Vlogmas if we will make it to upload not daily, but you know, I will try. I'm going to give it my all. Yeah, I'm in love with this look. Anyway guys, till the next one guys, bye bye.